Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by identifying the crystal type on your watch before repair. Determine whether it is acrylic, mineral, or sapphire crystal so you choose the correct method. Use a 10x loop to inspect the scratch closely and to judge depth and pattern. Check if the scratch catches your fingernail to estimate depth. Note that scratches shallower than 0. 5 mm can often be improved with polishing. Deeper grooves usually require professional glass replacement for reliable results. Work on acrylic and some mineral crystals by polishing with care. Start by protecting the bezel and case with tape and a microfiber cloth. For heavy scratches, wet sand gently using 1,000 to 2,000 grit sandpaper in small circular motions. Rinse and dry thoroughly, then apply a pea-sized amount of poly watch or jeweler's rouge to the surface. Polish with a clean microfiber pad in consistent circles for 5 to 10 minutes until the scratch diminishes. Finish by cleaning with isopropyl alcohol and inspecting under a loupe. Know when a DIY approach is not safe and call a professional. Sapphire crystal scratches generally require specialized polishing or full replacement at a watchmaker. Replace the crystal when deep scratches exceed 0.5 mm or when legibility and seal integrity are compromised. Ask the technician to test and restore water resistance after any crystal removal or replacement service. Keep original parts if you want them returned, and request a warranty for the repair work offered by the shop.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.